Great tea. Not good tea, great tea.
Hi, my name is Prajakta. I'm from Mumbai. I'm here since last 2 months. So I'm here as a fellowship program. I'm giving my seva to the tea hut, and I'm really enjoying my time here. The tea hut is mainly because the main purpose of tea hut is to engage with the villagers and engage with the visitors and create more interaction with them. So tea is very special here. Here we follow the vegan lifestyle, and in Indian culture we have that every morning, every evening we drink tea without no excuses. So here we make tea with the coconut milks, and the procedure is we coconut milk with the help of blender like mixer, and then we add some Indian spices like ginger, black pepper, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon powder, and black anise with different proportions, and we boil it with 20 to 30 minutes, and then we pour some coconut milk inside it, and we don't boil the tea with the coconut milk, but it tastes delicious. So do visit to drink our coconut milk, and do visit Sadhana forest.
Yeah, definitely. Great tea. Not good tea, great tea.
Good. Nice. Nice.